Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by eliminating the simple power and input causes. This saves time. First, confirm the screen and device have power, then swap the cable and port to rule out a bad lead. Once done, check the input source and brightness settings because wrong source mimics failure. Now perform a power cycle. Unplug the screen, hold the power button for 10 seconds, wait 30 seconds, and reconnect. This clears residual charge and can revive frozen controllers. Next, isolate where the fault lies. Connect a second device or alternate monitor so you know whether the GPU or the panel is at fault. While testing, observe artifacts, consistent lines or flicker tell you whether the panel or cable is failing. Intermittent artifacts often point to drivers or GPU. Make sure to update display drivers and panel firmware or reinstall in safe mode. These software steps fix timing and handshake problems between the GPU and the screen. Finally, perform targeted repairs. Replace the faulty cable or inverter first because they are inexpensive and common culprits, then move to the power board or panel only if needed. While opening the unit, use ESD protection and label all screws and connectors to ensure correct reassembly. This avoids new faults. If the issue persists after part swap, document exact symptoms, include photos and any error codes, and escalate to a certified repair shop or your warranty provider for deeper diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.